Hello everyone. I'd like to show you a technique I used 20 years ago. I ran into a situation. I needed a garden walkway. I was on a budget and real stone was way too expensive and pavers everybody had. Plus I wanted something different. I needed a way to go around corners and work on an uneven surface. I needed to be able to shape the stone and make it look like a real stone. So I had to create a technique that would solve my problem and save me money. I'm going to show you how I did that and save you money. It's easy, and here's how I did it. Well, here I have the form already laid out, and I'm using those anchor pins to hold the shape. And right now I'm spreading my pre-mixed concrete into the form, just working it around. You can see that it looks like a peanut butter with peanuts. You know, it's a good mix. Bringing some over to this side here because I want this side of the stone to match up with that sidewalk that's right there. I want a nice even surface. Now I use the fast setting concrete. It's a 50-pound bag, and this form will hold two 50-pound bags, so you have a 100-pound stone. But you can also add 3 or 4 more forms if you want and have a giant stone that's 300 or 400 pounds. You know, it's up to you. Be good for driveways and anything like that, but larger stones are good for patios and fire pit areas. So now it's done. It's all leveled out. I have my coloring already mixed into this one here. Now what I'm doing is I'm pulling the anchor pins out, slowly removing the form, giving a little jiggle there, and then that's it. Adding my pre-mixed concrete again into this form. You can see it looks like I'm adding a lot of concrete into this little stone area here. I'll show you what I'm going to do next. But the anchor pins work really good holding the form in shape. All right, I want to make sure I get all the concrete out of this tub here because I don't want to get hard. Alright, I'm starting to press it into the form. You can see the form holding its shape. Wear gloves, or use your trowel, or put gloves on, or something like that. I mean, it's just, don't do what I do. Alright, see, I'm going to open up the form. I'm showing you that the form, no matter what, even though you start, you can make changes. You put the pins back in, hold the form, and start spreading out your concrete. Alright, right there I need a pin. I put my anchor pin right there, and there we go, it holds it. I'm just spreading it out. You want all the stones to have the same height. Again, it looks like the cement's a little dry there. But as you work it, move it around, moisture will start coming to the surface. I'm really doing nothing but just moving the cement around, making it even. Coloring and textures and stuff like that you can do later. But right now I'm just like moving everything around. Now see, by patting the surface like this, I'm bringing moisture to the surface, and that's making the surface smooth. This is what you want to do. So when you add your color, the color will blend right into the top layer of the cement. All right, here I am adding my color. And I'm going to mix this into the top half-inch layer of the stone. Real stones have multiple colors, so sometimes I like using 2 or 3 colors on a stone at the same time. Just work it in. Keep patting the surface. Bring that moisture up. Smooths it out. That's looking good. All right, I'm going to remove the anchor pins. I'm going to remove the form. I'm going to give the form a little jiggle here. Just shake it. A little, it loosens it up. You just pull it up. Just be gentle. You won't have any problems. And if you do run into a problem, you can still fix it. See, here I am right now. Here I'm opening up that space between the other stones because that space is a little too small. And here I am just tapping the surface again. Blending it all in. And it's still moist, so I'm going to add some more color there. Blend it in. This is the time you want to use maybe a paper bag or a plastic bag. Crinkle it up. Pat the surface. Get texture to it. There's a million ways to get texture. I'm just using the trowel here to get all my fingerprints out, because real stones, they don't have fingerprints in them. It's like, all right, I'm just working the edge there. Don't forget the multiple colors too. That works really good. All right, that's looking good. Get those fingerprints out. And that's done. Looks good. I hope this video inspired you to give this a try and create your own beautiful natural looking concrete stepping stones. If you still need help, please visit our website on how to use a flexible reusable concrete shaping form. Thank you for watching, and please like and share with your friends. See you soon.